What's going on, party people? Welcome to Full Octane Creations, where we give you guys that motorsport good. But today we're taking a break from my BRZ, and we're gonna work on this beauty and this one behind this garage. Let's show you. That's right, we're working on this beautiful Honda Civic. Her name is Bessie.
Oh, Bessie.
Good old Bessie. All right, so what we're doing today is we're gonna challenge ourselves. We're gonna, only $40 is our budget for today, so we're gonna head to Dollar Tree and see what we can do to make Bessie a little bit more of a badass. So we had a lot of fun doing our Dollar Tree video during Vlogmas with my car for Christmas decorations, so we thought, why not just do one for Bessie, but just for a normal upgrade, since the Honda Civic is like the ultimate daily driver of the daily driver world. It's a lot of people's first car. It's just a good, reliable, genuine car that a lot of people own, so why not see what we can do to make this Bessie badass a little better. So let's head to Dollar Tree and see what we can do. Before we head to the Dollar Tree, we're gonna give you a tour of what Bessie looks like right now. So Care, my girlfriend's gonna show you, and you better pay attention and you better like it. Let's go.
Hi, this is Bessie. This is Bessie's hair. This is Bessie's inside. And we have Bessie's little puppy. Bessie's little Care Bear. We got some Stanley cups in there. Don't ignore that, it's broken. Bessie's a little messy, but it's okay. Messy Bessie.
Messy Bessie.
This is Bessie's back seat. I don't know what this is, isn't it? That's not Bessie's. And then this is the gas door where I fill Bessie up. And then we painted her tires, her wheels. Very pretty. This is Bessie's other doors. Yeah. This is the passenger seat of Bessie. These are Bessie's lights. They're really cool. They glow and light up. And yeah, it's pretty boring. Gotta make Bessie better.
Hopefully you guys could hear that over the lawn care that's going in the background.
Yeah, how rude.
But now we can go to the Dollar Tree and
get 1K likes.
Get 1K. If we get to 1K, we will do a crazy modification on my girlfriend's car. So.
Yeah. One of those things on the back that goes like this high.
We're at Dollar Tree, $40. Let's see what we can find.
Hula stuff.
Hula hula.
We could put one of these in Bessie on the mirror. To hang it from my mirror.
Yeah.
My rear view mirror. You think that one's cute?
I like that one. It's green. It goes with the Care Bear. Let's see. I don't know. That's expensive. It's a whole $1.29. We got 40 bucks. You can buy 40 of them. Party.
You put a giant flip flop. I think that's my size.
We got clown feet. Nice.
I can put a sippy cup in my car.
I feel like the Hispanic households, that is considered a lethal weapon of a larger size. Chancla.
Look, these are kind of cool if I was a kid. Didn't have my own gaming stuff.
Oh, look at this. $5 for a 4-part charger thing.
Look at these signs. Oh. Don't look at that. I'm gonna giant disco ball.
Neck pillow for the road trips. Alligator.
Should that go behind my seat? $5. I could put it on the back of my seat.
I don't know, that's expensive.
It's a Dollar Tree.
We got some ideas cooking. That noggin's got ideas. It's cooking. It's cooking. The craft section of the Dollar Tree is very dangerous to bring your girlfriend to. Because it's just like Target. Once you're there, you're trapped.
Hey, I'm the girlfriend and to worry about the game section.
That's true.
I want the Nintendo game.
Ooh, we're in the automotive
look!
section.
Would these fit on my thingies? No, those are for the push to start. But like those little caps. I don't have one of these yet. I don't know if I would keep it on there. A taxi air freshener? That's hilarious. That's kind of funny. Should we do that?
You got $40, babe. Do what you want. It's your car. Let's make it fun. Look at all this stuff for cars you can get. They're pretty cheap. Like these gloves are $1.25. Yeah, all these microfiber.
Storage pocket? Let's get a storage pocket. No. We'll come back. That's a maybe.
That's a maybe. We got some maybes on the list now. Dang, Dollar Tree's got it hooked up for cheap. We had to get a cart because there's a lot of stuff here we could get. We're overwhelmed. She's cooking. She's cooking. Master at work. Alright, so we spent a little bit more money than we anticipated, which is okay because we've got some deals for you and we got some options, so let's break it down. Alright, so we spent a little bit more money than we anticipated, which is okay because we've got some deals for you and we got some options, so let's break it down. So essentially what we got here is the master bucket and a miscellaneous bin. So this is what we got. You be nice and you pay attention.
So this is my hair bin. I'm opening it. Got all my hair supplies. So I'm ready wherever I go. And it's cute. Stickers, $1.25.
So that whole bin was $15. All the hair supplies in the bin were just $15.
$15.
So that's option one.
And we have the car cleaning bin.
Car cleaning bin.
LeBron James.
With LeBron James.
We've got a misting fan. We've got microfiber cleaning towels. We have a microfiber wash mitt. Wax on, wax off.
Yeah.
Wax on, wax off.
We have a flashlight for all you blind bitches. We have a car air freshener.
It says
Smells.
taxi on it.
And it's a taxi. And then we've got a tiny little cleaner and protectant. And then, what else? We have automotive glass wipes for all you crusty hoes.
Crusty Dusty. So
And
this
then
guy
got a bin.
was $16.50 total. So that's
not
option 2 you got.
bad. Option 2. We got the cleaning supply bin. Then we have our movie bucket. Where's my thing? Movie bin.
We like to go to the movies. Same with
A
drive-in.
lot.
So we wanted something for the drive-in. We wanted to be ready.
We've
Space
got
Jam.
a little pillow to be comfy, because you know those chairs are not comfy. And we got Aaron's little shark.
We got a shark one.
And then we got a shark blanket because those movie theaters are cold.
So the shark one I got because we got the shark blanket.
Yeah. And then I got the alligator, dinosaur, whatever you want to call it.
Now, since these were mainly $5 and the bin, we spent $16.50 on this one.
Which isn't too bad, honestly, for a blanket and 2 pillows. Not bad.
Yeah, and then this guy was $5 to
Which-
keep all of these in.
Holds all of this so it doesn't get moved around. This bin even hooks on in here. And then this is my miscellaneous bin. We've got this thing, which is kind of decor. Will go in the car. You'll see that later. All my decorative stickers, which technically aren't part of this either. You're terrific.
A little cone. Kind of looks familiar.
We've got a window marker for if you want to be funny and put something in your window. We got a car spray to make your car smell good for all you stinky bitches.
And sticky ass hose.
And then this is kind of, sometimes you need to keep notes in your car, or just like a little notepad if you forget yours for work or whatever. Then you have an extra. And then I clearly have an obsession with green. But like, come on, cute. And then we've got the cute little green pencil bag with my transparent sticky notes. So cute. So cute. Right, babe?
Heck yeah.
And then we've got some little paint marker.
Ooh, I need to use that for my basketball.
And then we've got a little Sharpie.
Heck yeah.
And then we've got my clear green neon book. So cute. And then we've got these bitches for obviously,
It's a fan
You're
away
going-
them hoes.
yeah. We got 1 and 2. And then some double-sided tape, obviously, to put some of the decorations in my car. And then some little clips, because you never know when you're going to need a little clip.
Heck yeah. I think this bin in total was like $15 also.
Probably.
Yeah, it was around there.
But, like, come on. These are so
Yeah.
cute.
So you've got options. Out of all your bins and all your stuff, what would you say is your favorite?
Probably my movie bin and my miscellaneous bin. But the car cleaning bin is going to come in handy because I am one of those messy bitches.
Yeah, so I like the car bin, especially for only $15. For people that just want something to sort out, they're on a budget, I think that's perfect. Dollar Tree honestly had a lot of stuff. Like
Yeah.
we splurged. We did not expect to be spending all this money, but like we got so much for spending so little.
Yeah, stuff that both of us are going to use like almost on a daily or weekly basis. I mean, like
It's hot in Texas right
Texas summer, we're going to be using these all the time. And they work really well,
now,
actually.
which I think is great, especially for a good old Honda Civic owner. I'd say Bessie's pretty badass now. She's prepared. You know,
Yeah.
next level is zombie apocalypse. Can we survive a zombie apocalypse through Dollar Tree? I don't know. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We wanted to do something a little fun, a little different. And not everyone has hundreds or thousands of dollars to spend on car mods or car parts. And sometimes you can have fun on a budget dealing with your car, whether you have a Subaru BRZ or a Honda Civic like Bessie over there. So but yeah, taking a little break from the BRZ stuff, but we do have more events and more things to do to the car, so make sure you guys subscribe, follow along, like, comment, let us know if you have any questions on the stuff that we bought, because a lot of it's really cool, or if you guys want a follow-up video on how it's holding up like a couple weeks or a couple months later. So other than that, peace out everybody, until the next one, bye.